Email marketing is crucial to business development and, of course, revenue. Everyone has an email list these days, at least anyone trying to better their customer retention and traffic generation. But just like the companies struggling to build their email list, marketers new and old are working to build their own email lists. In essence, there's no shortage of individuals trying to utilize the concept of email marketing in their business, strategies, and so on. The bigger your email list, the more opens you get, the more clicks you receive on your links inside. More traffic overall means more conversions. It's really that simple. We all know that. However, how do you get traffic to your landing pages to receive new leads? There's a way to get traffic flowing into your site that you probably aren't aware of. What if you could grab the attention of people faster? What would that do for your business and marketing? Quote posters are a great way to grab this kind of attention. And not only that, they are designed to spread through social media. This means an inspiring poster with your brand or logo can be liked and shared from here to the end of the internet. In fact, we've seen these kind of quote-laced images launch from an account and work their way all the way back weeks or months later, ready to start the cycle all over again and grab people who may have missed it the first time around. It's truly an endless pool of auto-generated traffic. The power of quote posters is unquestionable, and now you can have the most powerful email marketing-based quote posters ready to share at your disposal immediately. We've found the most epic quotes to spur people into thinking about the advantages of email marketing, quotes they will emotionally connect with and share. This packet is huge. It's not 20 or 30 posters like you will see advertised elsewhere. You are getting 100 of the best quote posters for email marketing. These are designed just for you and will attract people not just in marketing trenches, but everywhere. That's because the late drive to be successful has taught anyone serious about securing recurring income and bettering themselves that they need to have an email list. Any marketer, business, and entrepreneur is likely to resonate with what's on the posters. On top of that, these 100 quote posters come with the commercial developer's license, so you are free to use them forever, however you'd like. And best of all, we're also including all of the editable PSD source files with the package. This means they are modifiable, not just by dropping your logo or brand onto the image, but taking the customization a step further. You can do anything with them. Swap text, modify the image, whatever you need to do to make them truly your own. You can go way beyond just slapping a label at the bottom and actually build your brand into the image itself. But this package isn't going to be here forever. Make sure you secure your copy now. Everything you need is on the page below. Claim your 100 quote posters and PSD files today, right now.